Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download Grammarly in your laptop. So guys, if you need to check spelling, grammar or plagiarism problem, so this is the powerful application and also its extension for Chrome, and also Grammarly is provide add-in for Microsoft Word. So here guys, just click on Get Grammarly. You can sign in with your Gmail and Facebook ID. Also you can create your account with Apple ID, and once you done, double click on this setup file. So you will get real-time writing suggestions, and there is the free and premium version. In premium version you will see more features, so continue with free. So this is the demo for this Grammarly. You can correct mistake and spellings. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.